All right, you guys, we're going to solve this one problem today. Make sure you're paying attention because this problem is a question that may be on your assessment or it may look like it's on your assessment. So it says 4 people worked together to paint Leon's house. Leon paid each of the painters $129. He also paid $50 for the paint. So how much should it cost Leon to have his house painted? So remember when we're reading this, we're reading it sentence by sentence. So the first sentence is 4 people work together to paint Leon's house. I know 4 is a word, so I'm going to a number. So I'm going to circle 4. That's important. So I know 4 people worked to paint Leon's house, and Leon paid each of the painters $120. Ooh, I see a key word, each. I'm going to box this. What does each mean to do? Good. Each means to multiply. So I'm multiplying 129 times 4. So that's my first step, right? So my first step is to multiply 129 times 4. And then we're going to read on to the next, what's my next step. So I want to read and look and see what are my steps first. So after I do that, it says he also paid $50 for the paint. So also means I need to do what? Good, add. So that means I'm adding $50 more for the paint. So then I'm trying to figure out how much did it cost for him to paint his house. So first I need to figure out how much he paid the 4 people to paint his house. So I'm going to do 129 times 4, right? So I'm going to draw my area model. How do I break apart 129? Good. 100 plus 20 plus 9. Oops. 100 plus 20 plus 9, and then 4 on the side. So I'm going to break it apart. I know 100 times 4 is 400. 120 times 4, 20 times 4 is 80. And then 4 times 9 is 32. So when I add up 400 plus 30 plus 400 plus 80 plus 2, what will I get? Then you should get 512. So after I add those up, we got to figure out, all right, that's how much you paid for the 4 people to work in his house. Now he also paid $50 for paint. So that means I have to add, we said we adding $50 more. So let's add $50 more. After he adds $50 more for the paint, how much should it cost Leon to have his house painted? Good job. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5. So $562. So this is like a multi-step problem. When you're solving a problem like this, make sure you use the area model. Make sure you write your steps down as well to help you with these multi-step problems.